Alright, team, let's shift gears from the field to the screen and run a quick Excel play-by-play. You've got Microsoft Excel open, you choose a blank workbook, and boom, you're looking at a fresh digital grid, columns across the top, rows down the side, every little box a cell ready to take the ball. We start in cell A1, that's like midfield. Type in name. Tap over to the right, item, quantity, price. Those are your column headers, your lineup cards so you know who's playing where on this spreadsheet. Now the action picks up. Under name, type a person's name. Slide right, under item, what they bought. Next columns, how many they took, and the price. One record per row, everything marching straight down and clean, organized lines, no busted coverage here. Time for the big scoring play, the total. Click an empty cell at the bottom of that price column, type equals sum, then drag to highlight all those prices, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and Excel puts the points on the board instantly. Change any number above, and that total updates like a live scoreboard. Dress it up, bold those headers, format the prices as currency, then click Save, pick a folder, give it a clear name, and lock in the win. From blank grid to Smartsheet, Excel just ran the perfect 2-minute drill.